Welcome to another tip of the week. When it comes to the off-grid trailers Expedition 2.0, simple modifications that'll make your experience a lot easier. One of the things that I've done with my trailer, and a lot of people do this, is to get these types of gels. So I bought mine through Lamin-X, which I'll put a link in the description, but you basically just get these sheets of sticky gel. They're normally designed for like headlights and things like that, but they work perfectly for adding a different kind of color for your lights. By default, these are white LEDs, which, you know, in most cases is probably fine, but they do attract bugs. I have experienced that firsthand. So as a tip, get these gels, cut them out in the shape of, this is about a 2x2 circle, so just cut them out, stick them on, and you're good to go. So I've got that all the way around. So I've got yellow lights going, so I don't have to worry about bugs when I'm taking a shower, bugs when I'm cooking, bugs when I turn on the porch light. And I think they run roughly $8 for two 4x4 sheets. So again, I'll put a link in the description, but this has been tip of the week.